These are the 666 playing cards by Riffle, the Dark Reserve Edition. Originally from Kickstarter. I'm going to go ahead and remain silent and just comment when I see fit. These are number 1894 to 2000. Alright, let's get this plastic off and get into it. And oh, there we go. Sad to ruin the seal, but you gotta break the seal for the 666 cards. Cringe. I do like this little devil dude skull in the front. Alright, I do love these little jester jokers. They're identical. Kinda wish they were red and blue to show that the first ones were red and blue. Ace of Spades, a little simple. Definitely love these backs. Looks like custom pips, super simple. Kinda look like little sketches. Now these custom Jack, Queen, Kings throughout are just the highlight of this deck, which probably makes them my favorite. And just in case you forgot, these by Riffle. It's enough advertising them. And then got a gaff card that's pretty cool. Trying to think of a cool transition. Let's see. Boom. Perfect. Just gonna go over the highlights again. Go ahead and let me know which one your favorite is. And this one's my favorite. Thanks for watching.